Hey lovelies, this is Annie with Annie Marie. Let's unbox, test and review this portable iron together and see if it's something you may be needing in your sewing, crafting and laundry room. Don't go anywhere. So this product is a Sharper Image SI755 mini steam iron with dual voltage for home and travel. I bought it from Amazon for $20.19. This price is exclusive of the shipping and import fee deposit. It has almost 2,000 reviews on Amazon with an average of 4.5 stars ratings for the ease of use, portability, quick heat up time and steaming function. It comes with a manual that is very detailed and written in different languages. I give kudos to the manufacturer because some people will just put a leaflet without any details on how to use this. The manufacturer also did a good job with the packaging as it will travel and be shipped without any scratch. It has a 1 minute quick heat up time, which is perfect for quick projects. It comes equipped with one-touch steam control with 6 minutes steam and a lockable push button for activating the steam function. And it also has 3 temperature settings for various types of fabrics. It has a 350 watts power which can easily remove any kind of wrinkle from almost any type of fabric. It also comes with a measuring cup included in the box which has 1.2 ounce water capacity. It weighs 0.98 lbs and is 3.7 inches by 5.3 inches in dimension. The design, the compact size, the handle and the color are aesthetically pleasing to me. It also has a non-stick sole plate which resists rust buildup. I love this. With the 8-feet power cord, you have a long distance from the wall socket to the ironing board, and you also have enough room to move over your project. So here I am on my ironing board. I clicked the button towards 220 volts and I already plugged it on my wall socket. And I have this fabric that I want to use for an applique design on a quilt. So let me check on the iron to see if it has heated up. Ooh, it's already hot. So the manufacturer didn't lie there. This really heats up quickly. So I'm going to be arranging my applique. What's behind it is a heat and bond light. Okay, when you're going to sew around your applique, this is the heat and bond product you're going to be using. So I'm going to be using it to glue these two together, and let's see how it goes. I'm supposed to use a fabric, maybe a cotton or something to cover it while ironing on it, but I skipped that part here because I really wanted to know how this iron works out. I'm really excited. Okay, and so far, ooh, this is good. I think it's actually too hot. Okay, I think next time I'm going to be reducing the setting because you can see it's calling up on the other side. It's just telling me that it's way too hot and it's gluing it together. So kudos to the manufacturer. This iron is good. I think it's really going to be good for every kind of fabric, projects and all that. I think I'll be trying it on a thicker fabric, probably a canvas or a denim fabric, see how it works. I have a project going on. Okay, I'm sewing a tote bag, so I really think I'm going to be using it on the fabric to see how it goes. But so far I'm loving this. It really glued it together, so I'm definitely going to be using this more. So I have this thick canvas fabric that I'm going to be using for my tote bag, and I'm going to be using this steam iron to iron it out. Okay, it's going to be into 4 folds because I'll be using it for the handle, and already it is giving, like it is already doing a great job. Why I said I'm going to be using this more is because I have a gravity electric steam iron, but because it's big and it's not every time I love using it, it does a great job. Okay, I have to say. But sometimes when you have some straps, pieces, you're doing quilt blocks and all that, you just want something small. So that was why I invested in this iron, and I have no regrets because it is doing a great job without the steam. Without the steam, look at it. Without the steam, it's just pressing this, ironing this out. This is 4 layers of thick canvas fabric. This iron is a game changer. I don't regret my investment. I don't regret this buy at all, and I didn't buy it for the steam function, so I'm good to go. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. So if you're looking for a portable iron with a dual voltage capability, this is for you. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.